Hello, I'm Jerry Easley with the National Weather Service on this Monday, September 29th with Alaska statewide weather. It is a relatively quiet day across a lot of mainland Alaska today. That's good news as we are going to be expecting active weather as we get into the rest of the work week. The big thing going on right now, we had another glacier dammed lake release in southeast Alaska. This one on the Taku River south of Juneau. We currently have a special weather statement out for that that's detected earlier this afternoon. It is not yet known how much water is releasing with this particular glacier dammed lake. However, this is the third release this calendar year, and the last two releases kept water below flood stage. We are still assessing this. If there is a need to issue any kind of flood advisory or flood warning, that'll get updated on our website at this point in time. That is not what we are expecting. Now we'll turn our attention to active weather elsewhere across the state. We are looking at a storm that is moving east out of Siberia today. That's going to bring rain, snow, increasing winds to the west coast as we get into the day tomorrow. And then as we get into Wednesday, we'll see that continue to spread eastward across a good part of mainland. There is some potential with this system for some coastal erosion. However, we are looking for that to be minor and isolated at this point in time. We're not expecting coastal flooding, but again, confidence on this is still something that we're a little bit less on, and so we will continue to monitor, assess. There are no advisories, no watches, no products out with this for the potential for flooding, so I think we're going to be okay, but do keep an eye on our website if you're in that area for the latest information. Now, you will be seeing quite a bit of precipitation and wind if you are out there. Now, another storm we're turning our attention to after that, we'll see a storm move into the Gulf of Alaska tomorrow, starting with the southern part of the Panhandle, getting into the upper part of not Prince Williamstown, but the Gulf of Alaska as we get into the latter part of the week. With that, we will see another round of rain, precipitation, and some strong winds in coastal areas, particularly Prince William Sound and areas southeastward. Elsewhere across the state, colder temperatures are really starting to prevail along the northern third of the state, where we'll see temperatures get down into the single digits to teens, especially along the Arctic coast and into the Brooks Range. For Alaska statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Carrie Hazley.